Hello everyone, welcome to working on my Audi in the wintertime. My name is Thomas. This is Ocalo Garage. Today I need to replace the hub on my Audi. So it's been making this grinding noise and just sounded terrible. And so I bought one of these. And we're going to try and put it in today. And by we, I mean me. You guys can lend moral support, but that's kind of after the fact. So here we go. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is get access to the actual hub. And so what I have here is 19 millimeter hex. The specs that I had looked up called for a 17 millimeter, and that was wrong. So I went out and bought a 19. And I've got a breaker bar, so we're going to try and bust this loose. And then I'm going to take off the lug nuts, jack up the car, we'll take off the wheel. I'm just going to loosen this hub nut. Actually, it's a bolt. And I think it's a bolt. I'm going to loosen the hub bolt and just leave it in there. Break these off and get the wheel off. We'll take the caliper and the rotor off. And hopefully that's all we need to take off, and then we can get to the hub. Okay, I've got the wheel off. I've got this loosened. And it should come off nice. We'll see. Now we got to get the caliper and the rotor off. And then back here, got to loosen. There's 4 bolts that need to come out. 2 on that side, and 2. There's only 3. No, there's 4. 2 on the left, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. I think I can get away without removing the axle entirely. So we'll see. Okay, so I disconnected the caliper, these 2 bolts. That little screw holds the caliper, the rotor on. And let's see what size. I ended up having to use 3/4 inch, sorry, 13/16 for these guys. And as you can see, I just roped up the caliper and rotor to get them out of the way, sort of. Of course, they're exactly in the way right now, but that's okay. Next step is to unbolt. There's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back. Hopefully I can get access to them without having to remove the axle. Well guys, some things you can't do yourself. I can't get the hub off. Let me show you what's going on. So the bolts back here, these guys, they are in there really well. This one over here somewhere, wherever he is. And they're starting to strip with my Torx drive, and I'm just going to make things worse, and I'm not going to get it off. So, kind of a waste of money and time. I bought that whole hub because I didn't have a press to try and press this out and replace it, because it's just the wheel bearings that are going bad. So I'm gonna have to take it into a shop, pay them $1,000, and do that. So fail. Got to try, but sometimes things just don't work out. So that is that. I hope this doesn't discourage anybody else. It's not going to really discourage me. I'm going to keep trying to save money, hopefully. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And this time I lost. So, but that's life. Keep moving on. So I'm going to sign off. I'm going to put everything back together and take this thing, get this scheduled to go into a shop, get it repaired. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you next time, hopefully with better success.